Assalamu alaikum, dear English English learners. Hope all of you are in good health and safe from COVID-19. So am I. Today I am going to discuss about the uses of fairly and rather. Actually, these are two adverbs. Fairly makes a positive meaning or positive sense, while rather makes a negative sense. Fairly makes a moderate sense, and after that an adjective is used to provide a good sense or good idea. On the other hand, rather also makes a moderate sense, and after that an adjective is used to provide a bad sense or negative idea. Dear learners, here are two figures of two persons who are of same age but of different height. The first one 5 feet 4 inches and the second one 4 feet 2 inches. The height of the first one is not so much, but its height is acceptable everywhere. On the other hand, the height of the second one is very short, which is not acceptable everywhere. So the heights of the first person can be said fairly tall, and the second one rather short. Fairly tall gives a positive sense about the height of the first persons, and rather short gives a negative sense about the height of the second persons. Okay, let's come to other examples. Here are some examples. The first one, he is fairly bright. In the sentence, his brightness is expressed, which is a good sense about him. And the second one, she is rather ugly. In the sentence, her ugliness is expressed, which says the negative sense about her. Then the third example, Bangladesh is fairly nice. Here, the nicety of Bangladesh is expressed, which is a good sense about Bangladesh. And the fourth example, Bangladesh is rather populated. In this sentence, we find a negative sense about overpopulations of Bangladesh. Again, dear learners, articles A can be used after rather. Articles A can be used after rather. Example, the boy is rather a bad student. But no articles is by used after fairly. Then two adverbs can also be used after rather, but not after fairly. Here we have an example. He is rather too naughty, but he is fairly too young. It's an incorrect sentence because after fairly to is never used. To only can be used after rather. Okay, our today's discussion is over here. See again in the next class with another new topic. Okay, thank you very much.